It has been 9 months since I went to Turkey and got myself a hair transplant, and I'm feeling great, baby. This is how it's looking so far. I used to be someone who was fully bald, and I wasn't supposed to get full density from this first one. I'm going back to fill in the rest in May in about 2 months, but check me out, baby. I mean, I'm looking good. I'm happy to be out without a hat every now and then nowadays. In direct sunlight, it still looks fairly thin, but that's what the second transplant is for anyway. That was expected when I got the first one. For those of you who don't know, it was my plan all along to get two. When I went there, the clinic said you're gonna need two because you're so bald. So for this first transplant, man, I'm feeling good. Also, I look like a lizard right now. I just got back from a spring break trip with all my friends to Punta Cana. So that's why I am shedding everywhere and look crazy, because I got a pretty nasty sunburn, but I'm feeling good. Something that I've noticed now is even in photos, like even when my hair would grow before, it didn't feel like it was growing up at all. It would just kind of fill in wherever it could fill in. Now it feels like it actually has some volume to it. Obviously I got a fade, so it looks how it looks. It helps the density up top. But with the fade, with the way it gradually goes up, it looks like I have hair. Like I look like someone who has thin hair, but I have hair. I'm not receding at all. It's just overall a little thin, but that is exactly what I expected, and my second transplant is gonna fix that, and my hair routine keeps it as full as possible while we're waiting for all these results to come in, and I'm extremely thankful, man. Like, it worked. It literally worked, and we're almost there. This year I'm about to get that second transplant, and then we're gonna be in the end game. We're gonna be going for our final results. Of course I'm gonna continue my routine forever, but we're doing good, man. Minoxidil, finasteride, rosemary oil, derma rolling. If you really wanna get your hair back, if you're someone that was such an extreme case like me, you gotta make sure you're doing these essential things. But even while I'm recording this video right now, like I'm looking at myself, and I remember how I felt recording videos just last year at this time. I feel like a whole new person. I am so thankful. I'm so happy. And it's just, like, we're doing it. We're doing exactly the goal that I set out to do when I started this TikTok account and named it Chrishairjourney, was over time to get my hair back. And somehow, along the way, we are truly accomplishing that. Thank you guys for all the support so far. Sorry for my absence the past 2 weeks. I've had a lot of stuff going on, whether it was family related or what, and then of course I went on my spring break trip, so I just took a little time off after I was so sick a little bit ago as well. But I'm back. I got a bunch of videos like already edited for this week that I'm gonna be posting. We're good, we're back, we're ready, and honestly, over the past 2 weeks, my hair has like even gotten better since I haven't recorded, and I just feel like it's wild. It wasn't too long ago that when my hair would grow, only the sides would grow and nothing on the top would grow whatsoever. It would just be a long sides and nothing on the top. It's absolutely insane to be where I am today, and also knowing that even though it might not be an absolute full head of hair yet because it's obviously still thin, I'm getting my second transplant in May, so I know that wherever it's not perfectly full yet, it's going to fill in from that second transplant. I'm so thankful with the results from this first one so far, and we're literally 2 months away from going back to Turkey and getting that transplant to really complete the job. I can't wait, and this time I'm getting a stem cell treatment as well, so the results are even going to be capitalized more. I mean, we're not just doing it, ladies and gentlemen. We're not just doing it. We're doing it the right way. All right, just wanted to give an update. I appreciate y'all, and I'll be back soon. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace. Love you. It's good to be back. Good to talk to you. I can tell you're all beautiful through the screen. I can tell you're all just attractive human beings that just love hair journeys and whatnot. All right, bye-bye.